Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to update WhatsApp Desktop on your Windows computer. Keeping WhatsApp Desktop updated gives you the latest features, bug fixes, performance improvements, and better security. So let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu. Once the Microsoft Store opens, click on Library from the bottom left corner of the window. Now click the Get Updates button. Windows will automatically check for updates for all installed apps, including WhatsApp Desktop. If a new version of WhatsApp is available, you'll see an Update button next to WhatsApp. Simply click Update and wait for the installation to finish. In my case, WhatsApp Desktop is already updated to the latest version, so I don't see an Update button. If you also don't see one, that means you're already using the latest version. After the update is complete, open WhatsApp Desktop from the Start menu and make sure everything is working correctly. That's all. Updating WhatsApp Desktop regularly helps improve performance, fixes common issues, and keeps your app secure with the latest improvements. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.